Hello traders, this video is about the range euro, okay. And for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSCWSYS008 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. And for all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade, okay. Now the title of this video is about the range euro, and as you can see on this monthly chart, okay, the euro is in a range, okay, and we cannot hide it, okay. And what I was telling traders last time was this level here of 12000, okay. It will be better for the euro, okay, to pull down up to the level of 12000. That remain to be seen, this level here. You can mark it on your wall and watch it, okay. It's very important for the euro zone to allow the euro to come to the zone of okay, 12000. Why? Because if you look carefully here, from February 2002, the euro went in the uptrend, okay. From February 2002, the euro went up to May 2008, okay. And then we have the sharp correction and all the blah blah blah, okay. Now the euro is now in a range on this monthly chart. If I draw another line on this chart, okay, you can see that we are in a range. Can you see it? Okay, there's a range on this okay, monthly chart. The euro is in a range, okay. Okay, can you see the range? This is the range of the euro, okay. It's the range of the euro here, right here, okay. And on this monthly chart, touch it here, okay. So this one, the price went above and come below it, it become, okay, this is 1 point. We can count it this point, okay, because the price went above it and come back below it is a 1 point here. We can put the spotlight there because it went above it and returned below it. This is the first point. Second point right here. So with these 2 points, we have our line ready and watching this level, and the price, okay, came exactly, okay. This is the appointment. All the traders, so I explained to you, the third time is yours. Even sometimes you may not touch it and turn around, you will go above it and come back down. You will count it. That's the first one. Second one, you touch it here, okay. The third one, okay, you know if it's coming here, you are waiting for a signal to sell. And recently, okay, we have sold the euro. I came out because the politicians, I decided to come out at 12837. My target was 12700, okay, 12700. That was my target, but the price went to 12700. But as the politicians start talking, I decided to take my profit at 12837. Now we are expecting the euro to continue the movement to the downside. It is up to 12000, but that's a long way to get there because there will be a lot of blah blah blah. Okay, you can see for 3 months the euro was going down, but as I'm telling you now, we are in a range. This is the range. Okay, the range euro, okay. As you can see, we are bumping between all this level. The market will prefer to bring it right here in a zone of 124, okay, 00. But the price does not have to come there, okay. The price does not have to come here, because some traders will say, George say that to sell, so I'm going to sell. That's not the right way to do it, because the price can turn around here. Okay, you will receive a signal to sell, and if you receive a valid signal to sell, then you will sell. But so far, okay, you cannot just sell because the price is in a range, okay. So, but one thing is clear is that we are in a range, okay, on this monthly chart, and the price going up and down, okay. But as I explained to you, talking about Greece, okay, now, okay, Greece has already defaulted on their debt, okay. Now, as I explained to you, they are seed test. Their seed test is that, okay, when we are analyzing a company or a sovereign country, okay, when a business or a sovereign country cannot pay their short-term debt, they are under pressure, okay, they are under pressure. This is the situation for Greece. This is the situation for Saab company. So once the country is under pressure right now because they can't pay their short-term debt, okay. Now the politician will play their politics. That's their job, okay. You as a trader, you will keep your eyes on the price of the #1 indicator, okay, without blinking, and make a right decision using your tool. It's just simple, okay? But remember that the politicians also play a part in this market, okay? So do not discount them. They are market participants, okay? As we have seen recently in Switzerland, okay, the decision, okay, to cap, okay, the Switzerland francs against the euro, and it happened to be some important people who have make money out of it. Those who made the decision to cap, okay, the Swiss franc. But these things happen, okay, but it was in the news, but I don't want to talk about this now, okay? But as I explained to you now, before I was telling traders all year long that there was a manipulation this year. Now everybody see that, okay, what I was saying was true, because the price does not hide it. It won't hide it, okay? I was also showing traders this, okay, declining, okay? I was showing traders this, I always draw this trend line, and I was telling you, when a price is displayed, okay, it display a high followed by a lower high, is bearish, okay? It's bearish, okay? But what the price did, the price went above this yellow trend line to retest this the consolidation session here, you see, because instead of stopping at the yellow line, the price prefer to retest this resistance zone, which is a better resistance level. But if you do not receive a signal here to sell, you cannot sell. But here a signal to sell was given, you see. Even if we draw another line here, ladies and gentlemen, from here to this one here, is still a lower high, okay? So it's still bearish, okay? It's still bearish, okay? But right now, as I explained to you, I'm already out of selling the euro right now. I'm out of my bearish trade for the euro. I want to watch it, okay? I would prefer to see another rally. I may miss all this opportunity to sell it down. That's perfectly okay. I will look for another financial instrument. I'm not going to complain about that, okay? At least I didn't lose. That's the most important thing, okay? But in my view, in normal condition, the market should allow the euro to come to the zone of 120.00. This is the level where the euro departed from in 2002, in February 2002. That will allow Greece to sort their house together, to put their house in order, okay? And the politicians also will come down. This year there will be election in America and also in France. Hopefully, okay, they will allow, okay, the divine nature of the market to allow the price to come, okay, to retest the level of 120.00. Some traders are saying that the euro will finish and disappear. I disagree. What will take place, in my view, the euro will come slowly but gradually into the zone of 120.00, and then we'll find a support there, and by that time the politician will put their house in order, hopefully. If the fundamental, okay, start improving, okay, the euro will start a new, okay, movement to the upside, okay? But rendezvous, so far we are far away from the level of 120.00. That remains to be seen. But the next level right now that we are watching is 124.00. This video is about, okay, the range euro. Looking at the quarterly chart is the same thing, blah blah blah. The euro is still in a range again, okay? You can see my blue, okay, I'll color them white this time. You will see clearly that in the same scenario, the euro is still in a range again on the quarterly chart. What I have said on the monthly chart is still valid on the quarterly chart. Still, we are in the range, okay, talking about the euro, okay? That's the range for the euro on the quarterly chart, okay? But this is it, okay? So if you go, for those of you who are always stopping at the daily chart, this is what you see on the daily chart. It's just downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. It's just rolling it down, rolling it down, rolling it down. Someday will go up, but it's just rolling it down. But I'm telling you right now to be very careful if you are selling the euro, because we are approaching, okay, there is a kind of a support level, okay, in this session here, this one here. Pay attention to this one here, okay? There is a support in the zone of 127.00. That's why some traders are buying now, but in normal condition we will prefer the euro to come to at least 124.00. The best place for the euro, for the survival of the euro, is for the market to allow it to come to 120.00. That remains to be seen. We'll use our tool. This is not a signal to sell the euro or a signal to buy the euro. This is a technical analysis about the range euro. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders.